Hi, I'm Sabir Leakat at Teledyne Princeton Instruments, and we're just going to go through what some next steps are if you get a light field crash. So if you have this not fun light field has stopped working, it crashed, don't worry, we're here to help. We'll help you get you running. So here are some next steps you can take. So this will resolve most common crashes, and if not, it's going to give us important information to help you resolve the crash. So first is rebooting the PC, okay? So the PC reboot can resolve issues with corruption, if some memory gets corrupted or some other weird issues happening where the software is interacting with other software and just something gets lost in translation. Just rebooting the PC, that should clear a lot of issues, okay? If rebooting the PC doesn't work, then you want to try running LightField without any hardware connected. So what this is going to do is it's going to show us that the issue can be traced to hardware, if you have nothing connected and then LightField can turn on. So if you get this, then you can email these observations to lightfield@teledyne.com. So this will go to our software team, or pi.techsupport@teledyne.com, which will go to our support team. Either way, we got you covered. Someone will get back to you very soon, and we'll help you get up and running. So if there's physical hardware causing the issue, then maybe it's a hardware configuration issue or something in the hardware is malfunctioning. You know, we want to get your observations on exactly what's failing, what's not failing, and then we can help you out from there. The next thing to try is you want to repair PI cam. Sometimes PI cam is the driver underneath LightField. You can call it its foundation, and this is what drives all of the hardware. So if this gets corrupted, then the software won't work. So if you want to go to Add Remove Programs, find PICam and repair it. So I'll show you an example here. So I'm going to search Add Remove in the Windows search bar. Then I'm just going to search for a PICam. So you see I have PICam installed. I want to modify that, right? I click next, and then I'm going to want to repair it, and then I'm going to follow the next steps, okay? So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to finish here because I'm not going to go through repairing it now, but that's what you'll want to do. The next, if that doesn't work either, oops, you want to restore configs, and I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about in this video right here. So this is going to resolve issues where XML configurations have become corrupt. You have some 0-byte XML files that can't be read by the software and are causing crash. These following directories need to be cleared. So your user directory, app data, local Princeton Instruments, and then program data, Princeton Instruments in your C drive. And when I say cleared, I don't mean, well, you can delete all of them, but that's not recommended. So I'm going to show you what I would recommend. So I'm going to open up a new Explorer, okay? I'm going to go to the first directory. So it's going to be C, program files. Oh, sorry. The first one is users. Users. So I'm on this user right now, Leacat, okay? Then I'm going to go to app data. If you don't see this, it's because it's hidden. You want to go to view. You want to show hidden items here. Have that checked, okay? Then you're going to see app data. Or you can just copy and paste this path and replace this by your username. That'll work too. So you go to local, Princeton Instruments, search for P. Here you go, LightField, right? Now you can remove this. You can remove this to another place, such as your desktop, or our recommendation is you just rename this to LightField Old. And I can't do this right now because my crashed LightField is open. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop that. I'm going to kill all my LightField instances. You can see I'm going through this crash cycle. LightField just keeps crashing on me. And this is another thing that might be handy. So it's good that it came up during this video. Just killing the LightField process through Task Manager. You see I'm in Task Manager. I'm in Details. I killed Princeton Instruments LightField. So now LightField's not running anymore. I should be able to do this. There we go. I named it LightField old. So the next time LightField starts up, it's going to create a new set of configurations. So anything that's corrupted, you won't have to worry about. And ditto for program data Princeton instruments. So let's go to C, program data, Princeton instruments. I'm going to rename this LightField old as well. Okay. So now with those renamed, I'm going to try restarting LightField. If that doesn't work, then this wasn't the issue. We go on to the next one. And in the event that this does not resolve the issue, that's why we recommend renaming it LightField old, because then you can just restore your original configs. You can rename that to LightField, which it was originally called. Okay. And the last step, if none of this stuff works, we'll still be able to help you out. Just obtain an event log from the crash and email it to lightfield@teledyne.com. That way, we get it and we can get back to you with an idea of where the problem might be coming from. So how to get this event log, we're going to go through it right now. So let's go back to, okay, well, let's see if my LightField still keeps crashing. Oddly enough, I would like it if LightField crashed right now. Of course, it's not complying with me. It's not crashing. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to make it crash. Okay. I'm going to try to opening 2 demo cameras with the same serial number, which, it won't work. You can't have 2 things with the same serial number. So now LightField crashed, right? Oh no, what do I do? Well, I've gone through, all of these, right? Oops, my presentation went away. Where did my presentation go? This. Yep, I went through, all these steps. I still can't resolve the crash. Well, now I'm going to obtain the event log. So I'm going to go here, attachments, Windows event log. Okay, and this might take a minute to load up. Just give it a minute. Okay, here's my event log. This is the error that caused the crash. Okay, you can see the error demo already connected. I'm trying to connect the same serial number demo to it. So we're just gonna, where is it? We're gonna select this. I want the source to be Princeton Instruments LightField. And I'm gonna save the selected events. So I'm just gonna save that as test event, right? Save that. I don't need display information. It's fine. And then I can X out of it, and then I can go ahead and send that event log to lightfield@teledyne.com, and we'll get right back to you. So thanks for watching. These are the steps you can take if you get a LightField crash. I know it's very unfortunate, but don't worry. We'll help you get up and running soon. And hopefully, by following some of these steps, you can, resolve the crash yourself and get yourself up and running. If not, again, we're here to help. So lightfield@teledyne.com or pi.techsupport@teledyne.com. We'll help you get back up and running. No worries. Okay. Thanks. I hope this was helpful, and have a good one.